This is the Revive Series Solar Restore Trans4M. It's a multiple source USB charger. So when you get it outside of the box, it's going to look like this. It comes with a micro USB charging cable. If you have a device that doesn't use a micro USB, you'll have to provide your own cable. But pretty much what it is a converter of multiple power sources into USB. So it has two USB ports on the side, maximum output of 1 amp. So you're not going to be able to charge tablets or e-readers with this product, but you will be able to do smaller devices such as smartphones and MP3 players, maybe even some GPS units. It's very versatile. On the inside, the little black door, it's got the AA battery compartment as well as the 12-volt DC barrel adapter. On the underbelly, it has a 12-volt wall adapter and also the 9-volt battery adapter. So you can charge your devices 4 different ways, with AC power, DC power, or AA or 9-volt battery power. So for this demonstration, we're going to plug it into 12-volt AC. Once it is plugged into a power source, whether it be DC, AC, or one of the two battery options, the red light on the inside will be on, and I'll let you know that it's ready to go. Plug one end of the USB charging cable into the USB port on the Trans4M, and then the other end will go into your USB power device. Once it's securely connected, your device will show that it's charging. When you're done, you just simply unplug it, and you're good to go. So again, the USB ports output at 1 amp maximum. So it does have the ability to charge two devices at once. Keep in mind though, you won't be getting a full 1 amp. It will split the amperage over the two USB ports. So if you have two devices plugged in, they'll each be getting 500 milliamps an hour as opposed to 1 amp an hour. It will require a second cable because it only comes with one. With DC, it's the same concept. It'll split the available 1 amps across the two USB ports, so 500 milliamps each. The AA battery option, not recommended to try more than one device because the AA batteries don't have enough power to output to devices such as cell phones. So some cell phones you might be able to charge with two AA batteries, say an older flip style phone, but none of the smartphones on the market today will typically accept a charge from two AA batteries. You may have better luck with the 9-volt battery option, but again, your best solution for smartphones and larger devices would be the AC or DC options. If you have a smaller, older cell phone or smaller, older MP3 player that doesn't require as much juice, you may be able to do it with the battery options. So some possible troubleshooting: if you plug a device in to one of the USB ports and it's not charging, make sure whatever source you have connected, whether it's the batteries or the AC or DC, make sure the Trans4M is completely connected to that source, and also make sure that your USB cable is plugged all the way in. Sometimes if it's not plugged all the way in, if it's plugged halfway in, you won't get all the power. So make sure that cable's plugged all the way in. Try both the USB ports. If one's not working, try the other one and give it a shot. And also, try all 4 options. If you're not getting a charge from DC, maybe try the AC. The other thing to keep in mind is that when it is getting power, that red light comes on. So if the red light doesn't come on with DC, plug it into the AC, see if it comes on then. And that's the Revive Series Solar, the Revive Series Trans4M.